Hi everyone, welcome back to Hero Handmade Crochet. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to crochet a simple and colorful earring pattern. It's quick, fun and perfect for adding a pop of color to any outfit. First of all, we will see what are the things needed. These are the materials I'm using in this video, so if you want to purchase any one of them, you can find the links in the description box below. Now let's get started with the foundation. We will start with a magic ring, so wrap the yarn around your index finger 2 times. And then insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through the ring. Now we have a loop on our hook, yarn over and pull through the loop. Now we have our magic ring ready. In the first round, we are going to chain 1, yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the chain. And then we need to make 2 double crochet cluster here. For that, yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. Now we have 2 loops on our hook. Again, yarn over and insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 4 loops on our hook. Again, yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Now yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Now this is going to be the first petal of the flower. Chain 2 and then we are going to make the next petal by working 3 double crochet cluster. So yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 2 loops. Again, yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 4 loops, yarn over and pull through 2. Now we have 3 loops. Again, yarn over and insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 5 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through 2. Now we have 4 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through all 4. This is the second petal. Again, chain 2, 1 and 2, make another 3 double crochet cluster to complete the third petal. So yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 2 loops. Again, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Again, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 4 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through all 4. This is the pattern we need to repeat. Chain 2 and a 3 double crochet cluster. 1, 2, 3, yarn over and pull through all 4. Again, chain 2 and another 3 double crochet cluster. Again, chain 2, 1 and 2 and another 3 double crochet cluster. Again, chain 2 and then we can pull this tail tight to close the magic ring. Now you can see we have 6 petals around, and then I'm going to put a slip stitch on top of the first petal to join the round. So insert the hook into the stitch on top of the first petal here, yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. With that, we have completed our first round. This is what it looks like. And then I'm going to leave a little tail and cut the yarn off. After that, we will use the yarn needle to hide the tail like this. And we will cut the excess piece of yarn like this and hide the other tail also. This is what we have completed so far. We will get into the second round. I'm going to join a new color in round 2. I'm going to use this mustard color. What I'm going to do is I'm going to insert the hook into one of these chain 2 spaces and then pull the new color yarn through the space like this, and then yarn over and pull through the loop. After that, I'm going to work over this tail so that it will get hidden inside the stitches. Chain 2, 1 and 2. This is going to be considered as the first double crochet of the round. Now work 2 double crochets into the same chain 2 space. So yarn over, insert the hook into the chain 2 space, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. This is a double crochet. Again, another double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook into the chain 2 space, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, again yarn over and pull through 2. Now chain 2, 1 and 2, and work 3 more double crochets inside the next chain 2 space here. One, 2 and 3. Then again chain 2 and in the next chain 2 space here we need to work 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3 and then chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and work 3 more double crochets inside the same chain 2 space. 1, 2 and 3. Now you can see we have created one of the corners and then chain 2 and work 3 double crochets inside the next chain 2 space here. 1, 2 and 3. Again chain 2 and work 3 double crochets inside the next chain 2 space. 1, 2 and 3. Again chain 2, 1, 2 and then work 3 double crochets, chain 3 and 3 double crochets into the next chain 2 space. 2 and 3, then chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and work 3 more double crochets inside the same chain 2 space. 1, 2 and 3. Then chain 2, 1 and 2 and then work a slip stitch on top of the third chain here to join the round. So insert the hook into the chain, yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. With that we have completed the second round as well. Now we will leave a little tail and cut the yarn off. After that we can use the yarn needle to hide this tail as well. cut the excess piece. And then we will get started with round 3. I'm going to join the yellow color into this. So insert the hook into the stitch on top of the double crochet here, and then we will pull the new color yarn through the stitch, yarn over and pull through the loop. Now on this round also we are going to work over this tail so that we don't have to worry about hiding it at the end. Now work a single crochet into the same base stitch. So insert the hook, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2. This is a single crochet. Again work another single crochet into the next stitch here. Yarn over and pull through 2. Again work another single crochet into the third stitch here. And then we reach the chain 2 space. There we need to work 2 single crochets into that chain 2 space as well. 1 and 2. Again work 1 single crochet into each one of the next 3 stitches. 1, 2 and 3. Now we reach the top corner here. I'm going to cut this piece of yarn which is coming out of the stitches, and then complete the corner by working 3 single crochets into the chain 3 space. 1, 2 and 3. Then again work 1 single crochet into each one of the next 3 stitches. 1, 2 and 3. Then work 2 single crochets into the chain 2 space. 1 and 2. Again work 1 single crochet into each one of the next 3 stitches. 1, 2 and 3. Then again work 2 single crochets into the chain 2 space and work 1 single crochet in each one of the next 3 stitches. 1, 2 and 3. Again work 2 single crochets into the chain 2 space and work 1 single crochet into each one of the next 3 stitches. Now we reach the bottom corner. There we need to work 3 single crochets into the chain 3 space. Again work 1 single crochet into each one of the next 3 stitches. 1, 2 and 3. Then 2 single crochets into the chain 2 space, and then again 1 single crochet into each one of the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3, and then 2 single crochets into the last chain 2 space here. 1 and 2. After that we will work a slip stitch on top of the first single crochet to join the round, like so. And then we will leave a little tail and cut the yarn off. Then we can use our yarn needle to hide the tail here as well. Now we have completed the third round. We will start with round 4 and join the green color yarn. I'm going to go into one of the single crochets in the previous round and pull the green color yarn through the stitch, like so, and then yarn over and pull through the loop. Now we will work over this tail to hide the tail. and then work one single crochet in each one of the stitches around until you reach the top corner. This is the top corner stitch. There we are going to work one single crochet, chain one, and another single crochet into the same stitch. Now we will work one single crochet in each one of the stitches until the bottom corner. Now I'm at the bottom of the work, and then we are going to work one single crochet, chain one, and another single crochet into the same stitch, and then again work one single crochet into each one of the stitch up to the starting point of the round. Now I'm at the end of the work, and then we will work a slip stitch on top of the first single crochet here to join the round. With that we have completed the work, and then leave a little tail for sewing and you can cut the yarn off. We can use the yarn needle to hide the tail here in this one as well. You can just repeat the same process and complete the other piece as well. After that I will show you how to join the pieces together to complete the earring. Now I have both the pieces, and this is how I'm going to join them. Open up the first jump ring and insert that into the top corner of the work. And then we will slide the second jump ring in and close it up using the pliers. After that, take the hook ear wires and open it up using the pliers and slide that into the second jump ring like this. Just like the same, I'm going to complete the other one as well. And there you have it, a beautiful pair of colorful crochet earrings ready to brighten up your day. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more exciting crochet patterns. Also check out my Patreon for exclusive designs and early access to new tutorials. Your support helps me keep bringing you more creative content for you. Thank you very much. Have a great day.